Significant breaking news. Cristiano Ronaldo is to leave Manchester United by mutual agreement with immediate effect. Cristiano Ronaldo gone from Manchester United. United have issued a statement. They have said this. The club thanks him for his immense contribution across 2 spells at Old Trafford, scoring 145 goals in 346 appearances, and wishes him and his family well for the future. Everyone at Manchester United remains focused on continuing the team's progress under Erik ten Hag and working together to deliver success on the pitch. Of course, all of this stems from that explosive interview with Piers Morgan when Ronaldo said he has no respect for the manager. United clearly feel enough is enough and he is gone. Yesterday, Ronaldo turned up unprompted at that news conference for Portugal and said he's bulletproof, he's ironclad following that interview last week. And he also said that his relationship with his Manchester United teammate Bruno Fernandes is excellent. Remember, Fernandes walked into the Portugal dressing room and they looked like an awkward exchange. They've so far tried to beat that down and say, no, they were just having a bit of fun, but it all looked very awkward. Well, apparently Manchester United, since that interview, have been working on ways to release Ronaldo from his contract, all sorts of legal implications. We learned last week that United do not accept some of those criticisms that Ronaldo made in the interview. He, of course, said that there's been no investment in the 13 years since he left Old Trafford. Manchester United have said, well, actually, there's been a lot of investment in the facilities, the training ground, the restaurant, the swimming pool, and much, much more, which they feel Ronaldo hasn't given them credit for. As I've said, he was also incredibly critical of Ten Hag. No respect for him whatsoever, he said. Ten Hag, though, always maintained that Ronaldo was important to Manchester United. Remember, he made him captain before all of this blew up. He made him captain, which surprised an awful lot of people. Ten Hag trying his best to keep things good. Ronaldo said that he'd been disrespected and not believed when he said that there was an illness with one of his children. Manchester United have always maintained that Ronaldo was given time off in pre-season to deal with his family matters. And it's also been confirmed to us here at Sky Sports News that there was a massive offer from Saudi Arabia in the summer for Ronaldo, where United accepted, but Ronaldo did not want to go. No other official offers for the player in the last transfer window, but of course he now is no longer a Manchester United player. Now, Cristiano Ronaldo has issued a statement and he has said this. Following conversations with Manchester United, we have mutually agreed to end our contract early. I love Manchester United and I love the fans. That will never, ever change. However, it feels like the right time for me to seek a new challenge. I wish the team every success for the remainder of the season and for the future.